Welcome to all of you, class 9. Today I will teach you uh, Geography SST of class 9. The chapter is Environment. So before teaching, I am requesting to all of you, please watch this video up to last, and before completing this video, don't skip from this video, because if you don't complete this video, if you don't watch this video completely, how can you understand? And after watching this video, please comment on the comment box, because if you don't comment, how can I understand uh, that the video has been watched by our student of our school. I'm talking to all students. I'm requesting to all students of class 9. So let's start. The chapter is environment. So what is environment? The word environment, which is formed by, originated by the word French, that is everyone, environ, which means environment means neighborhood. It means everything surrounding you, that surrounded by you, is your environment. It could be natural or artificial. There are two types of environment. Everything surrounds you, yourself, that is called environment. There are two types of environment. The first one is natural environment, and the second one is artificial environment. Natural environments, that means environment that is made by nature made environment. And the second one is artificial, that is human made, that is made by human things. Like natural environment, for example, tree, forests, rivers, mountains, and another thing which is made by nature. All these things are called natural environment, which constitute all these things constitute the natural environment. And artificial environment, that is made by human, constitute the artificial environment. And there are two types of artificial environment. The first one is human creation, and the second one is human interaction. So what is the difference between human creation and human interaction? Human creation means all those things that is created by human beings is called man. All these things that is created by man is called human creation. Like any machineries, tools, for as example, bulb, that is electric bulb, that is invented by Thomas Edison, and other things, fan, any equipments, any tools, any machineries, any buildings that is designed by human creation, that is called human creation environment. The second one is human interaction. And what is human interaction? Education that is created by human interaction. Without interaction with each other, how can we take benefits of humans? So that is called human interaction. Politics, economics, and other things. So that is the difference between human creation and human interaction. In human creation, anything that is invented, that is created by single human beings, and that is beneficial for the society. But human interaction, that could not be possible by mass of people, because if any society is not available, any people, in ancient time there are lot of people living in the forest, there was no society, because there is no interaction between the people, among the people. And after interaction among the people, they developed their mind, and they interacted with each other, and after interaction with each other, they created many things. They created society, they created economics, they created education, and many other things. That is called human creation. That is comes in artificial environment. And now we will today focus on this topic, that is components of our environment. The second one is natural environment, in which the topics are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere, and the third one things is ecosystem. The first topic is components of our environment. At first, what do you mean by the word components? If you don't know the word components, please remember something, memorize something, and go into the library of your school, computer library of a school, and focus on a computer system. If you focus on a computer system, then you can imagine there are a lot of parts of computer, that is keyboard, system unit, that is also known as CPU, keyboard, mouse, monitor. All these things are called components of computer, and when we assemble all of them, that is made computer. Likewise, environment, there are many parts of environment, and all parts are called components. Like for example, components of, there are two components of environment. There are two components of environment mainly categorized in the two topics, that is first one is biotic and second one is abiotic. All living things are comes in biotic environment, biotic components, which have all organisms which has which are living things like animals, waters, mountains also have living things, and trees, forest, these all things are biotics. And abiotics, that is all components so the first topic is components environment. In natural environment, there are two types of components. The first one is biotic, and the second one is abiotic. So all living things which known as biotic, and all non-living things is also known as abiotic. For examples, biotic components includes animals, plants, microorganisms. Microorganisms means all small living things, okay, and etc. And abiotic components, that is known as non-living things. It means land, water, these are atmosphere, these are known as abiotic components. Now I want to explain in your language if you have any kind of problem. कंपोनेंट्स जो इन्वायरमेंट का कंपोनेंट्स है उसमें दो तरह के ये आते हैं, एक बायोटिक और दूसरा अबायोटिक। बायोटिक में क्या होता है कि उसमें सारे लिविंग थिंग्स इंक्लूड होते हैं, जैसे एनिमल्स, प्लांट्स, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म मतलब छोटा से छोटा जीव जंतु, वो भी आता है। और अबायोटिक इट इंक्लूड्स ऑल नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स।